Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy Z School, Jhansi. Now, today in this video, we are going to discuss about a beautiful poem, that is Beauty, of Unit 4 from your textbook Honeysuckle. Now, before going into the detailed explanation of the poem, let us know something about the poet. The poet of this poem is E.S. Shore. She was a writer, poet, and educator. She had written her first book named I Am a Pueblo Indian Girl at the age of 13. Okay, now what do you understand by the term beauty? In simple terms, we can say that beauty is something or anything that makes us look and feel good. You must have heard a saying which goes like, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Means, beauty is not something very distinct. It is a perception that varies from person to person. For example, the thing which appears beautiful to me may not appear beautiful to you. And similarly, the thing which you feel beautiful may not be beautiful for me. In this poem, beauty has been defined. The poetess says that beauty is there in everything. Now, to know more about beauty, let's read the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. The poetess says that she can see beauty in the sun rays, in the trees, as well as in the movement of the birds. She also sees beauty in the form of happiness in the face of the farmers and also in the joyful dancing of them for their good harvest. Now, in the second stanza, beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Now here, the poet wants to say that the beauty can also be heard in the night. It can be heard when a whistling sound is made by the passing wind, and also in the sound of the falling rain. She also feels that beauty is present in the melodious song sung by a singer from the core or the depth of his heart. In the third stanza, poet says, beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. In the first two stanzas, the poet speaks about nature's beauty. But in the third stanza, the poet speaks about inner beauty, the beauty of oneself. This beauty comes from our noble actions and deeds that we perform, the good and noble ideas that we follow in our life. The poet also says, beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and you sleep. Hope you enjoyed the poem.